today we're trying something new. It's a product that was sent to us that is gungo peas or pigeon peas. The difference is this canned pigeon peas actually includes coconut, so it's in coconut milk already, which is two of the ingredients in the gungo peas and rice recipe. Right, Mom?
Yes, that's correct.
So Mom's going to try it out today, and we'll tell you whether or not we like the product and whether or not it's a quick and easy way to make gungo peas.
Okay, so here I go. This is the gungo peas from the can. I've added water to the contents of the can, and now I'm going to add the season, which is the onion and the garlic, salt, pepper, thyme, and bring it to a boil. Here's the rice, which I've rinsed under the cold water. So I'm going to add that to our lovely gungo peas in coconut milk. The rice is in and it's looking good. I'm going to turn the stove down to minimum, cover, and leave it for about 20 minutes to have all the liquid absorb, and we should be having a nice and fluffy gungo peas, rice and peas. Made with a new product, gungo peas in coconut milk.
There you have it.
Yeah, nice and fluffy. I like this product because it's two ingredients in one. It's the coconut and it's the bean, and you can get your pot of rice and peas. All you got to do is add your season and your rice and you're good to go.